Welcome to Me 6202, Machine Tool Technology. If you're a current student preparing to dive into the world of machine tool design, this course is designed to give you a solid foundation in both the theory and practical aspects of the subject. Let's start with a quick overview. The main objective here is to help you understand the fundamental concepts of machine tool design, get familiar with common techniques used in designing machine components, and learn how to control the quality of finished products, especially when it comes to strength, rigidity, and dimensional accuracy. By the end, you'll also be able to relate ideas from elasticity and plasticity directly to real-world machine tool applications. The course is split into 5 modules. In Module 1, you'll explore the general classification of machine tools, including their motions, hydraulic and mechanical transmissions, and the basic requirements every machine tool needs to meet. You'll also get a first look at copy turning and transfer machines, and study the kinematics and drive systems behind machine tools. Moving on to Module 2, you'll start designing layouts for mechanical drives and analyze how these systems deliver both rotational and reciprocating motion. You'll dig into gear drives, steeples drives, and the strength and rigidity analysis of structures like lathe beds and drill columns. This is where you'll begin to see how theory translates into practical design. Module 3 is all about analysis and design, focusing on tailstock assemblies, guideways, and power screws. You'll classify different types of guideways, study their materials and lubrication, and work through the calculations for hydrostatic and aerostatic designs. Plus, you'll look at power screw analysis and design principles. Module 4 takes you into the world of spindles and bearings. Here you'll study materials, the effects of compliance on accuracy, and how to design both anti-friction and sliding bearings. The module also introduces cold rolling systems, control systems for speeds and feeds, and the ergonomic aspects of designing control members. You'll wrap up by covering principles of automatic and adaptive control, a key part of modern machine tool technology. Finally, in Module 5, you'll dive into the sources and effects of vibration in machine tools. This includes understanding vibration theory, its impact on processes like drilling, milling, and grinding, and the best methods for eliminating unwanted vibrations. By the end of ME 6202, you'll gain knowledge in designing machine components, applying theory to practical problems, and selecting the right attributes for component design. You'll also develop the ability to determine safe forces for operation and contribute to innovative product development. For essential reading, check out Principles of Machine Tools by G.C. Sen and A. Bhattacharya, and Machine Tool Design by N.K. Mehta. Supplementary resources by G.E. Dieter are also recommended for a deeper understanding. If you're ready to take your understanding of machine tool technology to the next level, this course will give you the skills and confidence you need. Good luck, and let's get started.